How's everybody doing today? Here we have a 2009 Toyota Highlander. Alright, this is what we're going to be changing today. Oil cooler lines. Hopefully it's right. If so, it's got to be an updated part because the one up under there has rubber hoses. So, but there is the part number. Alright, we're going to take off the undershield here. Actually, I think that's all I got to take off. Okay, so this is the part right here, and you can see it goes to the oil cooler housing, and then it has two rubber hoses and comes over here to whatever it comes over to the oil right above the oil filter. The new updated part is just all metal. So hopefully that fits in there good. We'll get her taken apart here and find out. Okay, I got my 12 millimeter swivel here. What the heck? That is that little bracket is in the way a little bit that goes on the bottom two bolts of the compressor, but I did get the nut off of there on that one. The other side might be a little bit of a problem, but hey, this is the boss car. I'll just bend that sucker up out of the way if it's in the way. Yeah, it's in the way. Alright, I'm gonna get a little pry bar. Just bending that up out of the way just a little bit there. I think I'm gonna be able to go through this little hole right here, get a better angle on it. Oh, come on. Oh, this stupid battery. So it's my 6.0 CX60. It quit the charger. It's just flashing red and green, so it won't charge. Just happened. I don't know. I think these things have a 3-year warranty on them. I might have to take it to the place and try to get it fixed. There we go. Alright, I got them 3 out. Now, 2 of these look like they're going to come out easy. One, I might have to use a 1/4 inch drive. It looks pretty tight, the angle on it. Okay, there's 2 of them. Let's see if I can just go with a 12 deep here. Get a little panel popper here to push it up on there. There we go. There we go. Have to use the old ratchet. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay, yeah, getting it out by hand. Okay. So I don't drop it. There we go. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, now. Oh, there's a stud there. Okay, there we go. Slid right out through the bottom here. All right, take our gaskets off of there. Go dry fit up in there. See the difference there. The reason I'm changing it, what was it? What did I do? Oh, what was it? Oh, the alternator went out, so I changed the alternator. I think I did no, I just did a little short on the hidden bolt. I didn't do a video of the alternator, but I told him you need to change his hose right here because it's so spongy. So if that blows, you know, you're gonna lose all your oil and blow your engine. And they didn't sell a hose, so they just sold this updated part. Alright, dry fit. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna give that a little wipe down. Put our gaskets up in there. Well, that one's got one stud in there. Put our parts up in there. Now, set our gasket in there.
Gasket up in place. Down here. Alright, where did this nut come from? Oh, right there, okay. Okay, they're all starting. Ah, no, they're not. Stupid jump. Okay, try this again.
Tighten them back up here. Okay, now we'll go over the rest with the ratchet.
Hey, Bella, try to do that thing for Liam. Will you help her? If you're not busy.
Alright, we got them all tight. Now just need to blow it off with some brake clean. What do you mean it ain't gonna work? Huh? Well, I can do it in a minute. 5 minutes. Alright. There she is. All chrome and pretty. Alright, fire it up. Check for leaks. Looks good. Clean up a little bit. Put your slash shields back up. Check your oil level. That'll be it. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.